If tonality is like a planet with the tonic as its gravitational force, modulation is the incredible power to travel between planets. This is because modulation is the process of changing key within a piece of music. We have two ways to travel between keys or planets, with a spaceship or through teleportation. The spaceship is commonly known as the pivot chord modulation, because it uses one or more pivot chords to travel between tonalities. It's like stepping onto a spaceship that carries us from one planet to another. It involves a gradual shift between keys. The spaceship is the pivot chord, while its engine is the tritone. If you don't know what a tritone is, you can watch the video What's a Tritone in 2 minutes that I made some time ago. But now let's hear that one more time. You step onto a spaceship and you get on a new planet. But modulation doesn't always require a gradual shift. Sometimes it's like instant teleportation to a new planet or key. This is known as direct modulation. Imagine direct modulation as a quantum leap, transporting us to a new tonal landscape without any harmonic or melodic preparation. It creates a sudden shift in the atmosphere of the music. Have a listen.
This is where they wanna live and die. When you call me baby, won't you tell me one more time? Let's go up tonight.
Your listeners, caught off guard by this sudden change, will be thrilled by the fresh sound and energy of the modulation. So today we've talked about the magic of modulation, and we've seen that it can either be a teleportation device or a spaceship that brings us to new planets. But what if we were tired of always traveling on the same spaceship? In real life, building a new spacecraft could take years, but in music we can do it in just a few seconds with tritone substitutions. We'll talk about that in our next video. I'll see you there.
Tonight.